have the Palmgren Vise. It's missing the crank, so I'm just illustrating it with a wrench. It does seem to have some difficulty. It's a slightly tough spot to get past, but with a little bit of leverage you can feed right through that. Closes all the way. Sold as is, slightly banged up. You can see damage during shipping. Does not appear to have been used, but it does have some little dings and scratches. And again, the worm gear here may possibly be slightly bent, but you are able to turn it, and with a little bit of difficulty you can do what you need to do. Sold as is.